where do we begin?
The first thing that what I want to do with anybody is to measure what your current condition is in terms of fascia, how connected your body is. So there are 7 assessment questions. The first one is very easy. Everybody can do. It's basically simply standing straight and then just raise their heel. Raise their heel straight up and keeping their torso erect, raising their heel up. Now, if the majority of the people, they lack connection from the foot to the glutes. So when this, they will say, okay, I feel now not stable. I feel a little wobbly. And also when my heel is too high, I feel instability in my ankle area. I feel my calf. I feel some of my knee. I feel my quad muscle is being taxed. But this very simple drill or assessment, if you apply it to for example, a LeBron James type of athlete, they will tell you that all they feel is their glutes and they're incredibly stable.